I can't believe people are still fucking lining up for gas today.
It's so fucking bullshit, man.
It's ridiculous.
I saw this guy, like, he was fucking at least 85. And he was at Petro getting gas, and when he drove away, he was like, you know when old people do the... like, they just have their mouth open for no reason?
Jason does that.
He drove by, he was like... like, how often are you fucking driving, man?
No, when I drove past the line, it was all old people.
I fucked up.
There's another nut on the other side.
I didn't get them all yet?
No.
Oh.
That's awesome. Cool, man. Fuck this turbo. Throw it in the garbage.
No, don't talk bad about it. I have to sell it for overpriced.
Hey, don't throw out that power steering pump. I can sell that.
And I did. Bryson?
Bryson.
He's a good guy.
Purchase some merchandise. Link down below.
You heard it there from the man himself. Link in the description.
What are you guys gonna do for Christmas, Noah?
I'm going to Calgary for 2 days. Directional, or does it not matter?
Put the flat side in the map.
You guys have to watch a show on Netflix called Indian Detective.
Is that allowed?
Honestly, it's a really good show.
What's it about? Jason, I hated him. Use the...
Alright. Turbo, S15 turbo is almost ready to go on. We have a metal exhaust gasket, new coolant lines. After we do this, I might pull off the intake and do the knock sensor, and then we'll do the injectors. Put it back on.
Is that attached to your hand?
It's off his nose.
Is it in your nose?
I can see it. You want to grab it?
Is it table?
I can feel it, yeah.
Is it table?
How far is that? How far is it?
You can't stop.
Yeah, I can't.
Man, just take one pause and look at the camera.
We're gonna save the clutch for last. Because then we don't...
So what's the order?
Fuck it.
Give us a little order.
Okay. Exhaust. Intake.
Yeah.
Clutch.
Okay, well, do you have, did you bring the coil packs? The other ones?
What does it have? Yeah.
Because those ones are fucked. I was just wondering if you brought them.
Yeah, they're...
And then we're gonna do oil pan too. The lower
Yeah.
oil pan. Are we doing the upper too?
Yeah.
Fuck, so it's gonna come out of the subframe, yeah?
Yeah. That's not that hard.
Clutch, and then we're gonna put in a cube short shifter, because fuck the ice. That one, I think that one is ISIS, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fucking shit.
OG. Fuck ISIS, fuck ISR. Cube all the way. Gotta put that in for some dank shifts. Hopefully this thing starts after all this stuff's swapped
I
out.
think it'll be fine.
New rad hoses, fuck it. They're Garage Tenoshi ones, coming soon. Sneak preview. Garage Tenoshi silicone rad hoses. Noah's scraping some gasket on the exhaust side. Ben's starting to take the intake off. Getting ready for some Deutsch works on this bitch. How much for the Deutsch? Like 400 bucks?
Fucking expensive, man.
Yeah.
This is expensive mods.
Fuck, buy some merch.
Yeah, I still haven't recovered.
Link
and
down
I'm
below.
fucking living on my own now, so I need some rent money, so you better buy some shit.
Was that Joe Exotic that said I'm never gonna financially recover from this?
Yeah.
Have you guys seen the second Joe Exotic?
No, have you?
I started watching a bit.
Is it good?
Yeah,
Apparently, is Carol Baskin in it?
I think so.
She posted something on her, like, because I follow Big Cat Rescue on Facebook. And she posted something on Big Cat Rescue saying that she's, like, trying to sue Netflix because she didn't want to be in season 2 because she, like, said some crazy stuff.
Uh-huh.
I'm excited to see what
What's her fault?
Do
You have that pry thing?
No.
No, do you have the,
Get up! You sure it's not gonna fuck the balance of the engine, man?
do you have that dust shield, Noah?
In between the trans.
That's supposed to go there?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
It's on there right now.
No, the one that, like, covers that hole?
No, I never had it.
Can we make something to put in there?
Yeah.
Alright, all the fresh shit is on. Fresh injectors, coil packs, spark plugs. Turbo's on. Just putting the flywheel and the clutch on. And then put it back in the subframe. Put the manual trannual back on. And back into this bitch.
Yeah, bro.
must pay homage to him.
Look like a fresh eBay clutch.
Good shit. I mean, I was gonna take
No.
What's the torque spec on these, man?
Isn't it 30?
It's like 13. That's a nice piece.
Fully? It's like the Discovery Channel. Mating a wild SR transmission to an SR.
Yeah, bro.
In the back of her crankshaft. That sounds really aggressive.
Alright, we mated these together, this shit and this shit, into one big shit storm, one big shit NATO. Shitteria. Yeah, alright. So this bitch gotta go in this hole. If you didn't put that, those two and two together. Fuck, man.
How are we gonna do this?
Stop. We're really close.
You wanna try that one on this side?
It's in, bro.
Those were for sure the subframe bolts.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, subframe is attached. Now we just gotta hoist it up and do the trans cross member.
Yeah, man.
And like sway bar and shit. Alright, right now we're just buttoning some stuff up. Noah's doing the lower harness. All these connectors. Just got the drive shaft in. Wow. And then everything up above is pretty much done. Or done enough to try to start it. So I think once we're done connecting all this shit, we can put some trans fluid in. We can try and start it, hey?
Yeah, bro.
Almost ready for first start. Or first start attempt. Just gotta connect the battery. Just put some water in this bitch because we don't want pool in there. Because it's about to be winter time and antifreeze might freeze, so.
Hopefully the oil pan is good.
Hopefully the oil pan is sealed since we resealed. Whose pube is on the lens? That's huge!
Yeah, we're gonna let's crank it over quite a few times and then can you check the oil pan for leaks and shit?
No. Another 100 or so packages going out. Link in the description if you want to pick something up. Support the boys if you want. Cool merch. Cool clothing.
Yeah, no big deal, you know what I mean.
Cool accessories. And we kiss every package that goes out.
Pretty much.
That's the guarantee here at Moist Boys.
He's leaving some stuff out too. There's things that can't be said on camera that happen.
Yeah, that happened to the packages. Not really, but it's mainly just kissing.
I hope it still works. Ran fine yesterday. It's running pretty hot though.
Alright, let's do it.
Might need to go live.
bubblies, man. Okay.
There's no bubbles, dude.
So, we put it all in. Let's do a little mod breakdown. We have the RS enthalpy ECU, Z32 MAF, 550cc, DW injectors, S15 spec R turbo,
Different coil packs are in now.
P2M coil packs, did a new knock sensor. We resealed the oil pan.
Got the GK Tech high flow.
High flow fan, fan shroud, garage Shinoshi, rad hose is coming soon. Tried to start it, and it would just crank. So we gave up on it. I came back yesterday, in between class, and pulled this out. This was the old relay for the fans, and it started. I let it run, I bled the coolant yesterday. We're going to hopefully see if it starts right now. And if it does, and it holds temp fine, we'll go for a little drive.
You need to yell coming down for safety's sake next time. Thank you. It's okay. Just next time, do better. Okay, go for it.
Good?
Yeah. Blinker fluid's a little low.
I'll do it.
Alright, Adam's gonna go take a pee, but the car's out of the shop. Wow, crazy. This video has probably, I don't know, it's been like 3 days. But I fixed it. The MAF wiring was fucked. So we're gonna go for a test drive now. And then we'll put the bumpers and side skirts back on. And then when Ben gets home, he's gonna let me borrow his boost tee and we'll put it on 14 PSI and go for another test drive and see how it does, man.
Hello? Last clip you saw, car was outside. Is this the same video?
Yeah, or it's up to you.
Okay. We're putting underglow on the car. While we wait for Ben to get off work, put the boost tee on the car, and then go for a test drive. And yeah. I don't know how this is gonna go. Just gotta figure out which ones go to the front and back, which one go to the sides. And then we'll stick it on, dude. Tuck some wires. Wire it up. You know what I mean? It's Adam's birthday tomorrow. If you're watching this video, it's the 26th of November. So this will probably come out maybe tomorrow. If it's part of this same video, it'll come out tomorrow. If it's not, it'll come out next Tuesday. Wish him happy birthday. Shop the store.
That's all I wish for my
Adam can
birthday.
give himself a good birthday payday.
No, all going into the 8.6.
So he can make the 8.6 cool. So shop the store. If this video's out tomorrow, there's a Black Friday sale.
We'll leave it till Monday. Fuck it.
Till Monday. For sale. Someone buy.
Ben, what wheels are you selling?
What do you mean?
You're selling some Mark 1s?
Mark 1s and the watts that are on the Skyline.
Alright, well Ben's got some Mark 1s. What are the specs, Ben?
I have 14 by 8 negative 12 and 14 by 9 0, but they're 5 by 114.
For sale. And Ben's got these watts. What are the specs? Ben, what are the specs?
On those? Or on the watts?
Yeah.
8.5 negative 6 and 9 negative 13.
For sale. 15s, 4-bolt watts, and the Mark 1s. If you're interested, DM Ben at Ben_32 on Instagram.
Yeah.
Looks very similar to like the dish on the 8 or on the 9. The 8s on mine are pinner. Pisses me off. don't eat an hour before. I couldn't remember, but I said no because I didn't want to get the thing up my nose.
New clear cup holders on the site. Link in description. So we're testing everything.
Yeah, I drove it yesterday and it seemed alright. We turned up the boost. We don't really know what it's boosting at, so we're gonna find out. But we probably let it warm up for a bit before we actually get into boost. If this goes past 80, let me know. Just like kill it or something.
Yeah. So it's hitting about 7 or 8 pissers, so Noah's gonna crank it up a bit.
Like 3 more turns. I wanna hit it 15.
15 piss. Alright, it's running real nice and smooth, but it's only hitting 10 piss. Noah wants 15, so yeah, he's gonna crank it a bit more. There. Okay, no, so what happened?
It runs really good, but it feels slow. I think it's just boost tees fucking suck, man. They don't work.
Boost controls?
Tee is like when you put a vacuum tee and you leave the tip open, so it has a little leak, so it doesn't fully open the wastegate.
Yeah.
You could try that.
But then,
Let's just run no line.
Good. And just self-regulate it.
Yeah.
yeah.
Just
So,
stop. Just let go of the gas when I feel like that's.
so
enough
is
boost.
that it?
Yeah, it's done now. Until I get the wastegate.
Yeah, Noah's got a HKS wastegate actuator coming. So for now, this is the SR mods.
You want to just fire that so I don't come in?
I think your air filter's like too small. I think it's too sticky.
Maybe a little bit.
Oh, it's pretty dank, eh?
Yeah, it's the only one that fits the way it is.
Yeah, right. It's almost like you need to shorten that pipe and then get it in more and then have a bigger one on it.
Mm-hmm.
You could shorten that. Yeah, there's lots of room there. We could do that.
Good enough.
What's happening?
I tried to fart, but I don't shit.
Ah.
The boys will try to hit a million K up on that YouTube. Best con